My name is Karan Chawla. I'm the director of a company called Ransal India Private Limited. We are based out of Kolkata. We specialize in products used in locomotives by the Indian Railways as well as in the international market. Specialized stainless steel products, and we've been doing this for over 50 years. I got to know about Sajanand laser back in the day in 2016 when I was purchasing my first fiber laser machine. Visited your plant in Ahmedabad and had a great interaction with your VP, and also visited the ancillary plants of Sajanand making stents. And it was a desire of mine to be associated with Sajanand at some point of time. I was tracking the journey of Sajanand to SLTL and was always keen to have an association with the company, either as a customer, if not as a shareholder. But so my first machine was not purchased from Sajanand because I could not justify the cost at that point of time. It was very expensive. Then as my business grew, we kept upgrading and changing and improving. And about, I think, 5-6 years ago is when we were purchasing our second machine, at which point of time SLTL came to us and we were able to join hands and meet somewhere in the middle and start an association. It gives me great pride to say that it is a great partner that we have chosen in SLTL. We are impressed with their ethics, with the transparency, with their product, with their service, with the people. And the machine that we are using just now is a 3 kilowatt fiber laser as well as a 2 kilowatt fiber laser of SLTL. The machines are working great. We are running them for about close to 20 hours a day, both machines. The productivity is great. The very little breakdown time, and if there's a breakdown, there's always a quick resolution to the problem. The products that we are making are specialized products in stainless steel used in the railroad industry, the rolling stock industry. So that's what we're manufacturing out of it. We are cutting stainless steel from as thin as 0.7 mm up to 8 mm in our machines typically. It's been a great journey so far, and I can only recommend their products and their service to anybody else maybe looking for a fiber laser cutting machine.